If I'm careful, this cake will be absolutely delicious.
Today, Mickey has decided to make a delicious cake to share with his friends. Great, Goofy! Great, Goofy!
Remember to go slowly. Ha ha! Oh my God! Apologize, Mickey. Ha ha! It's okay, silly. It was just a small accident.
Despite the messy kitchen, Mickey still wears a cheerful smile.
Need a hand, Goofy? Gosh, Mickey, thanks! Let's do it again! It's much more fun doing it together. Yay! That's right! That's catching! Okay! Gosh, that was a mess! Now for the egg. Didn't you see? When we don't give up, any job can be done again. Thank you, Mickey. I've learned my lesson. A happy morning, Mickey starts his day. Ha ha!
Gosh, what was that sound to? Wow! This bell is so special!
Let's see what else you can do, little Belle. Oh boy, look at that! Incredible! Wow!
Whoa! Oh boy! This is so much fun!
I should share this joy. Sharing joy brings happiness to everyone. See you next time, friends.
Hello, little friends! Today, Mickey and his friends are going on a very special adventure into the vast universe.
Ha ha! Everything's ready. Pluto and I are going to fly into space. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off! Let's fly high and explore the stars. Look, Pluto, a green and yellow planet. I'm sure there are lots of exciting things there. Let's land and explore. Woof. Wow! Look! We've met an alien creature! It's so cute and mute and friendly!
Woof, woof. Oh, it's getting late! It's getting late! We have to head back home! Ha-ha! Good morning, little ones! What a beautiful morning to start the day!
Something doesn't seem quite right today. Huh? Why are the flowers so sad? These flowers need some cheering up. They look so unhappy. What can I do to make everyone happy again? Ha ha!
I know! We'll play together!
That's it! Some fun and games will cheer everyone up. Ha ha ha! Come on! Let's dance! That's it! Feel the rhythm, everyone! Look at you! Look at you! Starting to feel better already! Ha ha ha! Come on! Let's dance! What a beautiful day!
When we share our happiness, it grows and spreads.
Ha ha ha! Goodbye! See you again! Oh! It's about to rain, Minnie! Mickey hasn't even had a chance to play yet! Oh.
It's gonna rain, Minnie! Mickey didn't even get to play
yet!
Don't be sad, Mickey. Sometimes after the rain, something special appears. Yes! Let's count the raindrops together.
1, 2.
4, 5, 6. Oh my goodness, look!
Wow! Oh, look, Minnie! A rainbow!
See, Mickey? Beautiful things come after waiting.
After every rain, a rainbow waits. All we need is patience.
Bye-bye, everyone! Don't be sad when it rains! Ha ha!
Hello, little friends! Today, Mickey and Minnie are going on an exciting adventure to find a secret treasure. Wow! Look at this! An old treasure map! There must be something exciting behind it, Minnie. A treasure? Let's go find it right away, Mickey! Oh boy, an adventure awaits!
We're on the right path! The big tree on the map is right ahead, Minnie! Minnie?
Then the treasure must be close, Mickey! Almost there, Minnie! We can do it, Mickey!
We need to cross this river. River, Minnie.
Don't worry, Mickey. We can use the branches to make a bridge and cross it together. We did it, Minnie! The treasure is here! Look at all the beautiful jewels! Ha ha ha! We found the treasure! But the real treasure is the journey and our friendship, Mickey! And so, Mickey and Minnie's adventure came to an end. They discovered that the real treasure is the journey.
Hi everyone, I'm Mickey, and today I'm taking you on a fun adventure in this amazing garden. Come on, let's explore together.
Wow! Every corner of this garden holds a new surprise. It's truly amazing.
I'm sure we'll find some really fun things, Minnie. Let us see what surprises await us. Gosh, this place is amazing, Pluto. Just think of all the fun we can have. Barks happily and wags tail vigorously. Now that we're all here, let's explore this incredible garden together.
Oh, that sounds wonderful, Mickey.
Wow! This tree helped us find colorful flowers.
Let's take a look, Minnie. Wow, look! A magical tree! It's glowing! Wow, this is amazing! I've never seen a magical tree like this before. Do you think we can touch it?
Don't worry, Minnie. Let's see if something magical happens when we get closer. And with a touch, the tree awoke, showering the garden with wonders untold. Whoa! What in the name of the 7 seas is all this? Looks like I nearly missed all the fun.
Wow, these are perfect for a bouquet. Huey, Dewey, and Louie would love these.
Oh, they're simply divine.
What an adventure this has been. This garden is full of wonders. Indeed, Mickey. We found so many wonderful things and discovered that the world is full of surprises and magic. The garden shimmered with newfound magic, and every friend gazed in wonder at the beautiful world they had discovered. And that's the end of Mickey and Minnie's adventure in the magical garden.
Our adventure in the magical garden ends here for today.
Always love exploring, little friends. Hello, little friends. Today, Mickey and Minnie are going on an adventure to a world full of cute pets. Let's follow them. Minnie, look at that! This gate looks like it leads to another world. Let's go through and check it out, Mickey. I'm so curious to see what's inside. Wow!
Everything here is made of pet toys. There are toy dogs, cats,
And even toy bunnies! This is amazing! We can play with them all day long!
These dogs are so much fun! Let's play tag with them!
This cat is so cute! I could take care of it all day! Look! Minnie! Aren't they adorable?
We need to take good care of our pets. Let's feed them and build them a cozy house.
Exactly! Every pet needs our love and care. All right! From the smallest of paws to the grandest of tails, every pet has a story that touches our hearts.
Good morning! Today is sure to be a wonderful day! What a happy morning! I'm strolling in my familiar park.
Oh, what's wrong, little bridge? You look so tired. But wait, it seems the bridge is in trouble.
I know! Oh, we just need to fix it a little.
Oh, boy.
With his familiar smile, Mickey sets to help.
Haha! I'll fix this bridge!
See? When we help each other, everything will be all right. And so, another happy day begins for Mickey and his radiant smiles. Goodbye! See you very soon! Ha ha! Ha ha!
Hello, little friends! Today is a wonderful day at the park. And who's gonna guide us on this fun adventure? That's right! Hi, Mickey! Hi! I heard we're gonna have a fun day, right?
Right, Minnie. We'll play, eat ice cream, and explore every corner of the park.
Where should we start?
Check it out! Here's the bumper cars! Let's see who's the best driver.
Oh no! Mickey, don't bump into me! Don't worry, Minnie. I just want to try it out. Gosh, so many choices. Maybe the strawberry swirl. Wow, this ice cream is delicious. This is definitely a well-earned treat after a fun game. Exactly, Mickey. Nothing better than enjoying ice cream on a hot summer day. Oh, for Pete's sake! Oh, almost there! Got it! Woohoo! Friends, goodbye!
So long, Donald! Farewell, Donald!
Oh, this is so much fun! We love carousels. And so, Mickey and Minnie's fun day at the park comes to an end. And that's it. Thanks for hanging out with Minnie and me. See you next time. Bye-bye. Oh boy, what a beautiful morning. Oh, why is everything so gray?
Where did my red chair go?
What happened here? My colors are gone too.
Don't worry, Minnie. We'll bring the colors back.
Look, Mickey, over by the door. Oh boy, look at that! Aha! If we fix it, the colors will come back. Yay! The colors are back! The house looks beautiful again! Today, Mickey and Minnie are going on an adventure to explore a magical world where everything is made of candy. Oh, wow! Wow, Minnie! Do you see this? This gate is made of candy!
This must be a magical world.
Let's go inside and explore, Mickey! I can't wait to see what's here! goodness!
Look! The candy trees are as tall as the clouds.
And there's a chocolate river! This world is amazing! Ha ha ha! I've never seen a place like this! And look at those candy mountains!
Yum, Minnie! This gummy candy is amazing! And we have to try the chocolate river.
Everything here is so sweet, Mickey! It's like a dream!
Ha! This place is so fun! Let's play all day here!
Oh, Mickey, this is wonderful! Ha ha! Isn't it just magical, Minnie?
I want to try every candy here.
Almost perfect. Just a few more touches.
And here's the star of the show, Minnie's special birthday cake.
Now for the tricky part. Where to hide this delicious surprise?
Perfect. Minnie will never guess. This is going to be the best surprise ever.
Phew! Success! No one will ever find it there.
Need help? I'm really good at this stuff, you know? Oh, Goofy. I think it's better if you stay a little further away, or else this party might turn into yuck, yuck, yuck. Goush. My bad, Mickey. Didn't mean to. It's quite all right, Goofy. Just try not to help too much. There! That should do it! Oh, Pluto! What have you done? Goush! He found the surprise.
It's okay. Sometimes the best surprises come with a little chaos. Surprise!
Happy birthday, Minnie!
Oh, what a surprise! Happy birthday to you!
It's absolutely perfect.
Life is full of unexpected surprises, don't you think? Thanks for joining in!
Always stay happy, and don't forget to create your own surprises in life.
Today, Mickey and Minnie are going on a magical adventure through time. Let's join them and discover amazing things from the past to the future.
Wow! Look, Minnie! A magical clock! Where do you think we'll go with this?
Ha! I'm sure it'll take us somewhere amazing! Let's give it a try! Wow! Look, Minnie! We're in ancient Egypt! This is amazing! We've traveled back in time, Mickey! Let's explore the pyramids! Gosh, Mickey, look at all this! It's time for another adventure! We're in the future, Minnie. The buildings are so tall, and look at all the flying cars. Wow, this world is so different. It's amazing to see the future. Gosh, look at that! Oh my! Perhaps we should go home now.
Yes, that's a good idea.
Hello, little friends! Today, Mickey and his friends are going on an exciting adventure under the sea. Ha ha! This is gonna be so much fun, Mickey! I can't wait! fish! Look at that!
Wow, look, Goofy! The sea is so blue and peaceful. There are so many wonderful creatures around us.
Ha ha! I've never seen so many fish. And there's even a turtle. Look, Goofy! The dolphins are dancing! Do you think we can swim with them?
We've also met a sea turtle. They're so cute.
Wow! These coral reefs are beautiful! They look like colorful bridges under the sea.
Ha ha! The scenery is amazing! It's so much fun to explore nature like this.
Hello, little ones! Today, Mickey and his friends will have an exciting outdoor adventure. We'll go on a picnic in the forest. I'm getting everything ready for the picnic. We'll have sandwiches, fruit, and drinks to quench our thirst. Everything's ready.
Hi, Mickey. I brought a picnic mat, and let's sit and relax on it.
I brought some more fruit so we can have a delicious picnic. Pluto, will you join us? Let's run, jump, and explore the forest.
Wow, look! These flowers are so beautiful. And this tree is so big, we have to try sitting in its shade.
The scenery is amazing. It's so much fun exploring nature like this. And so, a wonderful picnic day for Mickey and his friends has come to an end. We explored nature. It's a beautiful sunny day, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Everyone has different ways of relaxing. Minnie reads a book. Goofy sleeps.
Go get it, Pluto! Yeah! Nice cat!
Bye-bye, everyone! Always cherish nature and friendship!
Hello, little friends!
Today,
Mickey and Pluto are going on a new adventure. Let's see what they discover today.
Pluto and I are going to explore the forest behind our house. Let's see what fun things we can find. All set! Are you ready for our adventure, Pluto? Here we are, Pluto. The forest looks amazing today. Wow! Look at this, Pluto! The trees are so green and the air is so fresh. Where should we go first? Hey, look! A little stream! This is perfect! Let's pick up some small stones and throw them into the water. Haha! We've walked quite a long way, but today is so great, isn't it, Pluto?
Today, Mickey and Minnie are going on an adventure into the world of dreams.
they'll meet magical things.
Wow! What is that?
Wow, Minnie! Look at this! A glowing door! Do you think it will take us to a new world?
Let's try it, Mickey. Maybe it leads to a world full of magic.
Wow! This world is amazing! Everything is like a dream! We can fly through the clouds and jump on rainbows!
This is magical. Everything is so bright and colorful.
It truly is! Jumping on clouds is so fun! We can make stars by waving our hands!
That's right, Mickey. Look, the star is shining. I want to keep all these stars.
Look, Minnie! The flying unicorns are soaring! And there's a glowing butterfly!
These creatures are so magical. Can we fly with them? They've discovered magical things, but they also learned that dreams can lead us to wonderful things.
Bye-bye, everyone! Always dream big and explore the world around you.
One sunny afternoon, at his familiar little house, Mickey Mouse is preparing something very special. I found it! Ha!
Mickey wants to have a fun concert! But why does the sound so strange?
Hi, Mickey. What are you doing?
Mickey wants to play music for everyone, but Mickey can't yet.
That's it. I have an idea. Don't worry, Mickey. Let's do it together.
Oh. That sounds better. Ha ha ha!
Bye-bye, everyone! Let's always have fun and share it together! Today is a beautiful day to fly a kite in the park.
The wind is just right. This kite will surely fly very high. Quack, quack! Mickey, let me help. I'll hold the string for you.
Great, Donald! It's much more fun together.
Wow!
Quack! Oh, no! Oh, no! It's because of the strong wind! Oh, no! It's okay, Donald. Let's think of a way.
Donald is a little confused, but Mickey maintains his optimistic smile.
Look, the kite is right there. Oh, that's right. I'll hold the ladder, you get the kite.
Oh, boy.
See, Donald? With calmness and cooperation, anything is possible. That's right. That's right.
Thank you, Mickey. And so, a fun kite flying session continues with their wonderful friendship.